Alright guys, welcome to the Investors Den. My name is Mr. T. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Nami wallet, how to register, how to connect it to wherever it is that you want to connect it to. If you appreciate what I'm about to show you, consider leaving a like down below. And if you're not already subscribed, you can also subscribe to the channel, because as you can see, we drop really interesting stuff that you would like to see. Nice rhyme. Anyway, so let's head on to Google. We just type in Nami wallet, search. So you can see here that the URL for this website is namiwallet.io. So we're just going to click on this and it's going to take us to the download page. So I tried to look for a way to download this on your mobile device, but unfortunately you can't do that. Maybe I'm doing something wrong, I don't know, but if you're able to do this, drop a comment in the comment section down below so that you can help other people go about this. But at the moment, I think the only way to get this wallet is via your computer. So at the moment I'm using Brave browser, so I'm just going to click on Brave and it's going to download the extension. So add to Brave, add extension, so over here at the bottom left of my screen it just downloaded. Nami has been added to Brave. Alright, so I'll come over here to this side here. As you can see, it is now there at the top right side of my screen. Alright, so this is what my wallet looks like, and I can either choose to create a new one or import an old one. I'm just going to create a new one for the purpose of this video. Accept, continue. Alright, so unlike most other Ethereum based wallets or most wallets that you know out there, they mostly have 12 word phrase, but this one has 24 word phrases. So that means you have to write all of these words down or keep them somewhere that you consider safe. You're only going to see this thing once, and that is when you're creating the wallet. After you've created the wallet, you're never going to see the stuff again, so you most likely want to protect this thing well. Alright, this is the access to your wallet, this is the access to your funds, so you gotta protect it, guys. So I'm just going to go ahead and get a piece of paper and write my own down. Alright, so I've successfully written down these 24 words. I'm just going to, okay, so what's the fifth word? Fix is the fifth word. Alright, so it should work now. Next, so I'm going to name this investors then experiment. There, and then the password, right? So connect, create. Alright, so I think I've successfully created the wallet, and I can now go to the top right here and click on this there, and I can see my wallet. At the moment it's empty, there is no Cardano inside. So if you want to receive Cardano into this wallet, you click on the obvious button there, which is receive. If you want to send, you click on send. I should also let you know that you cannot send in any other cryptocurrency that is not built in Cardano's blockchain. Alright, you can only send and receive Cardano and its native tokens. So you can send and receive Cardax, you can send and receive Sunday, you can send and receive ADAX, you can send and receive Mosley, all of these Cardano based cryptocurrencies. Yeah. Alright, so that's all about how to create a Nami wallet. If you felt like you got some value, any sort of value from watching this video, make sure to smash up the like button, and if you're not already subscribed to the channel, you might want to click on that subscribe button so that you get notified whenever we make a video like this. Alright, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the very next one.